Hello people, it is me, MastersMZ here, and today I'm here with the real Spider-Man from No Way Home. Make sure to subscribe. And today I am here reviewing Ascended. It is a FE script hub. It's both R6 and R15. So finally we have a fucking script hub for R15, and actually it's a really good one too. It is paid at the moment. It's 10. They update it like every single fucking week, so don't expect like some basic ass shit, because you already know it's never gonna be that. So I'm gonna attach right here, execute. Obviously links to get it will be down below. So yeah, here we go. Finally, okay, I'm loaded up right here. Let's check in my whitelist, which hopefully should go through. I'll talk to the owner. Let's hope I don't have any problems during this showcase. There we go. Okay, I also got this man right here to be a test dummy. And I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Wait, I am R6 right now. I should not be this. Okay, let me change my character real quick. Okay, so here I am. Also, all these scripts, the R15 and the R6, they all have their own fling with it. So obviously that's going to be working really well. So the first script I'm gonna try on after I enter in this command right here to give me the hats is going to be Desperado. I don't know. Someone said this dog going crazy. I don't. Where the fuck? Oh, he talking about the dog at the top. Okay. So I'm gonna load this one right here. Nope. Turn that fucking music down, please. Okay. So we have our gun right here. I have swords. Okay. Shoot. Boink. Boink. Oh, this man got a sword of his own. I'm trying to, I think there are keys to do something, if I can remember. Oh wait, you can actually see the gun shooting. Usually the bullet trails are not FE, but on this one you can see the bullet trails on the other screen. So yeah, without further ado, let's go test out another script real quick. Okay, so I am back, and the next one we're going to be using real quick is the lightning cannon. They had this one before in their last hub. If you don't know, this is made by the same people who made Lithium. So don't think it's skidded or anything, because they literally owned this script before. So yeah, I think it's the same version as last time. You have your man flying around with your gun, and you got your fucking laser shooter. Wait, what is that? Is that a chair all the way over there? But yeah, this is this script. I don't know if there's any keybinds to it or anything. So let's go check out some R6 scripts now, because those are gonna be really crazy. So next one I have right here is called Void Claw. I have no idea what this one's gonna be. Oh my god. Okay, so it is a giant fucking void hand. Okay, so C does some shit. Fucking. Oh, okay, yeah, it flings them if you get up and start smacking them. He said this script is incredible. As you can see, very good script. It does look fucking crazy if I have to say anything myself. You should just know just by looking at it. Okay, let's go try out another R6 script, and then, you know, I'll end the showcase here and you guys can go check it out for yourself. Okay, so here we are. Now the spider claws animation is working. So I have the claws right here. Go up, click, they get flung across the fucking map. Yep, he's coming up for his turn too. And yeah, that's it. They have a shit ton of other ones you can check out as well. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go check it out. Links down below to buy it. And yeah, that's it. Also join the Discord server. We're gonna have another giveaway starting soon for Snaps. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.